Hey everybody, looks like we're going to be taking another trip. This last time it was the 2025 Clintonville Car Show. So now it's the July 3rd Clintonville 2025 fireworks display. So come along with me and let's see what we can see. Oh, who knows? We might see a good sunset. Oh, hang on. I gotta turn this up too. There you go. Speed it up a little bit. There you go. Yeah. I'll show you real quick the sunset. That's not the SS Minnow of the of Gilligan's Island. So just to make sure. So let's get out of here. Ooh, check this out. We got a thunderhead. Ooh, we got the moon too. Oh, they're firing them off, and they got the moon right there. There you go. Ooh. Okay. I want to meet some friends down here, so they're already down here. Oh. Ooh. Ooh. Now, you guys, I'm in my PWC. The reason why I am in there is because of my dwarfism. My contemplated dwarfism, or actually spinal stenosis, and a herniated disc. Usually put me in here. Well, I mean, I can walk, but I can't. I have a walker. I can't walk long distances. So, yeah. And I had that surgery in 2008. Oddly enough, check this out, guys. In 2000, okay, this is my story. Okay, in 2008, early 2008, I was having back problems, and when my back first went out, I was at the Menominee Casino, and they sent me to the Shawano Hospital, and they sent me home with some drugs. Well, that worked for a while, but then 2 weeks later, I was in the same at the Menominee Casino, and my back finally went out. So when I got to the Shawano Hospital, my shirt was ringed with sweat, and they gave me some pain medication, put me in a hospital bed for 2 days, and I do not remember a damn thing from that. So anyway, after that 2 days, they sent me down to Appleton to neuroscience down there. Excuse me. Anyway, they took me down to neuroscience down in Neenah at the Theta Clark Hospital down there, and I was and as soon as I got down there, within an hour, I was on the operating table. I woke up. You guys gotta see this real quick. When I turn around here, I was I woke up in a hospital bed with a drainage tube in the middle of my back. I couldn't move my feet. I couldn't stand. I was darn near paralyzed. My legs could not move. And if you look at my braces, if I didn't have my braces now, I couldn't walk because it controls my balance. Anything below the knee on down, yeah, the nerves are really bad. But it could have been worse. So anyway, here I'll show you this real quick. That's cool. I know I can't focus, but anyway. I stayed a month at St. Clark Hospital. They tried to get me to walk again. Oh wow! I'll show you that. Hang on. Man, I might not ever get down to the damn fireworks the way I'm going here. This is cool. Check this out. Check this out. Look at that. Look at that cloud there. We got some wind wisp here. Those are clouds that are wind. The rain's supposed to not happen. It's supposed to stay south of us, so we should be the fireworks should be okay. Anyway, I stayed down a month in neuroscience. Or down neuroscience too. At St. Clark Hospital, and then they sent me up here to Green Tree. I was in Green Tree at the nursing facility or the rehab center for 6 months. 6 months to get me back up to mobility. So at that time, in 2008, September, that's when I left. I left the nursing facility and I was on my own now. So anyway, back and forth, I got some rehab, and then they got me my first power chair, which I still have, which is come September it will be 17 years. Of course, it's broken down. It doesn't. The actuator in it, the lift on the lifter for the seat that goes up is gone. It doesn't work anymore, so I can't use it. I can only use it around the house. So, and 3 years ago I got me a new one, which is the one I'm on right now. So which I had to fight for, because insurance, But yeah, looks like A&W is getting packed. Yeah, I might have to speed up a little bit. I want to get some tickets maybe. But yeah. So anyway, there's some other issues that happened with the surgery, but that's private information. Yeah, we'll just say nerve damage. It sucks to be a little person. It really does sometimes. Well, I want to wait till these guys go first. Get on it. There you go. Always let people go first so they can get out of your hair. Yeah. They used to put a banner. Hang on. I'll show you real quick. They used to put a banner right up there to signify that the fireworks were happening tonight. So they don't do that no more, I guess. I don't know why. Insurance maybe. Or Clintonville's just too cheap. I don't know. We used to have a parade too. I don't know what happened. I think COVID pretty much wiped that out. So yeah, tonight's for Clintonville. This is their hurrah. The once a year money maker. I mean, the car show does pretty good, but this year was horrible. We had a lot of rain, not a lot of cars, and a lot of people. I don't know how the circus did, or not circus, but the carnival did, but yeah. So yeah. Yeah. For me, Clintonville should be a college town. It has that vibe, but it's a small town, 4,000 some odd people, which they might have. I don't know if they have that many, but it should be a college town. It really should be. I mean, what was it, 5-6 years ago? We could have had a prison in here that would have helped out the job market in this damn town, but nobody wanted it because of security reasons and stuff. But oh well. And now the town kind of suffers because of it, but it's what they want. And we'll let them go. Again, get them out of our way. So yeah. So, whoop, hang on. Ooh. Yeah, these roads are these are horrible here. So, ooh. Oh. It's like going four-wheel driving or four-wheeling. Yeah, the sun's behind some clouds, so we might not get a good sunset tonight. I mean, we got a couple good pictures or good scenes there, but yeah, gas here is $2.81 at Clark Station. See, I don't know if you got to pan or see if we can do a zoom here. See if we can do a zoom here. 10 zoom. See, I hate small hands. That's where that's Clark, so that's not at Quick Trip. So yeah. Pan back. There you go. So yeah. Somebody go boating. Somebody got their Harley out. Hear the cracking. Again, we wait. We'll let them go. It's gonna get packed down here. Okay, there you go. Yep. Yeah. Okay. Yo, lady, let's go. There you go. Okay. So yeah. So anyway. Yeah, after my surgery, yeah. So and I guess that's about all I can say about that. Yeah, the LPA National Convention is going on now. I think in California, I do believe so. I wish I could have went. I could go, but that thing is too expensive. Especially for people that are low income. Now the rich little people, yeah, they no problem. But for the poor, the people on disability, and they can't afford that stuff. That's why I wish they would have a virtual national convention. For people that can't be there, they can watch things happen. Like maybe be a part of it somehow. Yeah, that'd be cool. But then, what would be the purpose of even going to one then, I guess? I don't know. At least I wish they would, make it so everybody can go. Or what they should do is have 3 of them going. One in the West, one in the Midwest, and one in the East. Have it a week apart, so when one ends, one begins. But that costs money, so yeah, and a lot of time. So yeah, I'm hoping. Excuse me, I'm gonna die in here. I'm hoping the sound quality, everything is okay, but if it ain't, you guys are still gonna get a show. So. Let's see if we can get a 281. Yeah, you can focus 280. It's 281 up here for gas. So yeah, here we go. Uh-oh, ambulance. Oh, already. Don't look too good. Uh-oh. Fireworks are starting. That sounds like M80. Yeah, I hope it's supposed to go south. That rain is supposed to go south. So I don't know. So we'll see. Quick trip. Yeah, good old Quick Trip. They have some good muffins there. Yeah, lemon poppy seed and banana nut. Or banana, yeah, banana nut muffins. They're pretty good. Best to get them on the 75-cent day, though. Oh. There's racks and rails and bumps. Just past bumps. Ooh. I smell the gasoline. Yeah. We'll come up with the people in a little bit. Everybody's starting to. Yeah, I was down here earlier. They were already setting up already. People had their seats out already at 2 o'clock. I would say probably even in the morning. That's how big this place is. I mean, there are people around here. The people come from like far away to come up here and see these fireworks. So, oh yeah, this will probably be a two-parter because I'm gonna, when I get down to my friends, I'll shut it off and talk with them for a while, and then I'll come back with the fireworks. Ooh. Yeah. The sound of Jesus. Do 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 do. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know how many people are gonna let it get this year. Hello. Oh, yeah, we're gonna go down. Now wait for it. Go, 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 go. Go, let's go. I know. Go, let's go. Let's get back to that. So, do, oh. Ooh. Yeah. Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. Oh. Do, 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 do. Do. Oh man, it's charging for parking. Oh man. Ooh, we got a 57 Chevy, I think. Or is that a Bel Air? Hang on. Do 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 do. I think that's a Bel Air. I think. Hang on.
Like a Tesla? I was like, no, I was like, actually, that's their dad. He loves sugar. And he loves.
Oh. I think that's a Bel Air. I think. Hang on. Take a look at it. That's nice. That's nice. Okay. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Shake, rattle, and roll. Shake. Yeah, these sidewalks they're very bumpy. Yeah. Oh, oh. Shake, rattle, and roll. Shake, rattle, and roll.
Okay, so they yell at us.
Whoa, whoa.
Hey, girls.
I got it. Oh. There you go. Oh. Oh. There you go. Okay, let's go. Okay, now we're gonna pause here. See how many people down there. There you go. Okay. Okay. Ooh, there you go. Ooh. Oh. I gotta pause this for a minute. Oh. Okay. Yeah. Okay. 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 Oh, 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 oh. Oh, oh. Yeah, look at all these people down there. Oh man. I don't know if I'm gonna buy any tickets this time. Oh. Yeah. That's down here. They're charging for parking down here. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, oh, oh. Isn't it? Okay. Okay. Oh boy. That's a killer. Ooh. Cone Ice is here. See, Cone Ice is here. Yeah. And let's see here. Yeah, we're gonna have Cone Ice. Last year they did great business. They did awesome business. Out of business. And let's go meet my friends. They should be down here. So I probably will be cutting this off a little bit. Yeah, there's a lot of people here this year. I don't know. There's the Clintonville Fire and Rescue right there. Clintonville Fire and Rescue. Okay, let's go. Bam. Bam. Yeah, some of these people, like I said, got here earlier. Clintonville PD. Yeah, they don't. Look at that, all that in the park. Hang on, I'll show you the park. Oh. Do. Now where do they go? Where are they? I don't know where they are. But yeah, I gotta show you. Park. I gotta show you look at all the people in the park. That's cool. Now I gotta find them. Hey, Oot. Hey, Wayne. What's up, buddy? Hey, Wayne. Not too bad. Hang on.